Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a young boy named Jack. Jack was known for his adventurous spirit and his love for exploring the woods near his home. One day, while wandering in the woods, Jack stumbled upon a mysterious cave he had never seen before. Curiosity getting the best of him, Jack entered the cave. Inside, he found glittering jewels and piles of gold coins. Excited by his discovery, Jack filled his pockets with as many treasures as he could carry and hurried back home. When Jack arrived home, he showed his family the treasures he had found. They were amazed by his discovery, but warned him about the dangers of taking things that didn't belong to him. Jack, however, was too thrilled with his newfound wealth to listen. The next day, Jack returned to the cave to find it guarded by a fierce-looking dragon. The dragon roared, "Who dares to steal from my treasure hoard?" Jack, realizing his mistake, apologized to the dragon and promised to return all the treasures he had taken. The dragon, impressed by Jack's honesty, allowed him to keep one small jewel as a reward for his honesty. Jack learned that honesty is always the best policy, and that taking things that don't belong to you can have consequences. From then on, he was known as Honest Jack in the village. Questions. 1. What was Jack known for in the village? 2. What did Jack find inside the cave? 3. How did Jack's family react to his discovery? 4. What happened when Jack returned to the cave the next day? 5. What lesson did Jack learn from his adventure?